Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to change language in your Capcut PC. So let's get started. Just go inside your Capcut workspace and to the leftmost top you'll be having an option called as menu. Just click this and in the menu to the bottom you'll be having settings. Click this and inside settings you'll be having these four options which are project, edit, performance and language. Just click on language over here and we will be having these many languages available, and if you want to choose a language over here, just click this and click on save. So to change the language you need to restart Capcut. Just click on restart. So after restarting, here you can see my language is changed from English. So this is how you change the language in Capcut, guys. I hope you would have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in Capcut, programming and AI. Check them out, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.